Welcome back. It's time now for a look at weather. Ted joins us for a look at what we can expect into the weekend.
Well, the quietest part of the weekend is right now.
Okay.
This afternoon looks terrific. We're going to have some sunshine, fairly quiet day, a little on the muggy side, but we knew that was coming. It's here, and the mugginess will be building, in fact, as we move into the weekend time frame. We've had some thunderstorms in the area. If you look very closely, maybe you see a little flash of lightning here and there. This is time-lapse for over the few hours that we were getting rain very early this morning from midnight until about 3 this morning. That's our Louis Donato camera from Assisi Heights. The showers moved out. The skies are finally clearing off. We have sunshine re-emerging and a little bit of hazy sunshine near Grand Meadow as we look at a very slow-moving wind turbine. Not much wind out there at all. Wind's only 5 miles per hour here on the weather patio. 75, dew point 67. Feels like 75 later on. That heat index will be just a little bit warmer than the actual temperature once we get into the 80s, and that's what we're going to be facing for the rest of today, and more of that heat index being calculated in the coming days because it will be an issue. Clouds slowly clearing off. We have some sunshine in store for us. No rain until maybe tonight. So the afternoon looks dry. Evening looks dry. 78 right now in Rochester at the airport. It's 81 in Austin, Charles City, Iowa. 77 on our way to about 83 for high temperature later on. It's calm right now. No wind at all at the Rochester International Airport. Not oftentimes the case, but here it is. A calm day with an assertive amount of mugginess, and as we've now reached 78, you can actually calculate heat index, and it's now 80. 78 the threshold for calculating something like that when it's warm enough. There's enough humidity to make a difference in the air. But bright and warm today, on our way to the low and mid 80s. We'll have some scattered storm chances starting late tonight, then off and on tomorrow, off and on Sunday. Kind of an unsettled weekend. A lot of humidity and some thunderstorms, much needed rain, but maybe some strong activity. Next week looking warm as well beyond the weekend. 78 in Rochester, it's 85 in North Platte, 81 in Sioux Falls, and 67, a little cooler in International Falls. Drier air up there, but look at all the humidity building in. We're approaching 70 already. We're going to be in those 70s for a while with that dew point. In other words, that oppressive mugginess building in. Storm system to our west, its front is draped across the area. That's actually been the focus of thunderstorms late tonight, pushing back northward tomorrow, allowing some really warm, humid air into the area to prime the atmosphere with more instability for storm chances in the coming days. This is tonight, late after midnight. In fact, it will almost be tomorrow morning. We'll see a chance of maybe some strong storms. Marginal risk of severe weather. That's 1 out of 5 on the scale from the Storm Prediction Center. Large hail damaging winds. Tomorrow, it looks like first thing in the morning, then again late in the day. It might even be late evening, perhaps midnight, before you see the next round of strong storms. In between spotty thunderstorm chances, limited sun, and slight chance, slightly higher elevated risk of severe weather tomorrow and tomorrow night. And then Sunday, a couple of late day thunderstorms as well, some heavy rainfall in those. So storms this evening. This is overnight tonight into tomorrow morning, 4 a.m., 5 a.m. until about sunrise. Lull tomorrow, not much, maybe isolated storms here and there, but some sun and temperatures tomorrow in the low 80s. Today, low 80s, 83 the expected high, increasing sunshine, light breeze. Today, 80s tonight, mid and upper 60s for overnight temperatures. Here's Future Track watching some of those thunderstorms developing to our west. We have some sunshine throughout the day until that arrives. Activity well after midnight. Watch the first batch of storms coming through. First thing tomorrow, some storms, a break, maybe a spotty shower or two in the area, occasional sunshine, and then more robust activity around midnight tomorrow night into Sunday morning. And then again, late Sunday into Sunday night, another round of perhaps heavy rain producing strong storms, and rainfall amounts over the next couple of days, 1 to 3 inches across the map between now and Monday morning, or even midday Monday. Most of that happening, though, by Sunday night. And strong storms chances, scattered activity Saturday and Sunday, very slight chances next Tuesday and Wednesday. So after the weekend, we get a break from rain chances. Very humid this weekend. Next week, not quite as humid, but we're going to be dealing with this steamy, sticky stuff here for a bit longer. 80s next week, which is a little bit above average for this time of the year. Mostly sunny, a light breeze, 83 today. Light southwest winds, 5 to 10 miles per hour. Late tonight, it looks like well after midnight. Thunderstorms developing, mostly cloudy, 65. And then tomorrow, storms first thing in the morning, perhaps a storm or two during the day, but better chances will be late in the evening again with 80 for a high, and then right around 80 for Sunday with limited sun and some late day thunderstorms. Next week, more heat and that humidity, and a lot of 80s, Cammie.
Okay, that looks good. 1 to 3 inches. That seems like a lot considering we haven't had much rain.
Yeah, it would be. We'd really cut that deficit by 20 or 30%.
Yeah.
It'd be kind of nice.
Yeah, it would be. That's for sure. All right.